Ever feel overwhelmed by your tasks and notes? Imagine having a second brain to keep everything organized. Stay tuned to learn how Notion can revolutionize your productivity. Introduction. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Notion, the ultimate tool for creating your second brain. We'll explore what Notion is, its key features, and share tips on how to use it to organize every aspect of your life. We'll also look at some alternatives like Evernote, Trello, and OneNote to help you find the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. What is Notion? Notion is a versatile productivity tool that combines note-taking, task management, databases, and more into a single platform. Whether you're a student, professional, or entrepreneur, Notion helps you manage projects, track goals, and store information all in one place. Its flexibility allows you to customize your workspace to fit your specific needs. Key features of Notion. Notion's key features include customizable templates, relational databases, task lists, and integration with other tools. You can create pages for different projects, link them together, and set reminders to keep you on track. Its collaborative features make it perfect for team projects, allowing multiple users to work together in real time. Essential tips for using Notion. Here are some essential tips to get the most out of Notion. 1. Start with a template to save time and structure your workspace. 2. Use databases to organize information efficiently. 3. Link related pages to create a seamless workflow. 4. Set up reminders and deadlines to stay on track. 5. Customize your dashboard to reflect your workflow and priorities. How to organize your second brain. To organize your second brain, start by defining your categories: work, personal, projects, and goals. Create dedicated pages for each category, and use templates to structure your information. Regularly update and review your Notion workspace to ensure everything is up to date. This habit will keep your second brain functioning smoothly and effectively. Alternatives to Notion. If Notion doesn't quite fit your needs, there are other great alternatives to consider. Evernote is excellent for note-taking and organization. Trello offers a visual approach to project management with its board and card system. OneNote integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Office, making it ideal for users already in the Microsoft ecosystem. Each of these tools offers unique features that can help you stay organized and productive. Conclusion and final thoughts. Thanks for watching. Notion can truly be your second brain, helping you stay organized and productive. Start exploring its features and customize it to suit your needs. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips and tech tools. Share your Notion tips and experiences in the comments below.